Hi, I'm Kevin with Acteon, and today I'm going to show you how to install Sopro Intraoral Cameras on Eaglesoft. First thing you're going to want to do is open up Internet Explorer or any browser and go to www.acteonportal.com. Once you're here, you're going to go over to Imaging Device Knowledge, down to Sopro Camera, click that, and then on the left, under Download Links, click the Snap Download. Once that downloads, go ahead and open it, or save it to your desktop. Go ahead and find it. In some cases, you may need to extract it if it doesn't already do that. And you will find a Sopro Snap folder. What we want to do is get this Sopro Snap folder onto your computer via your program files. So to do that, open up your File Explorer, go to your PC, go to your C drive, and Program Files is where you're going to want to drag that folder into. Once that folder is in your Program Files folder, go ahead and open it. You're going to find a good deal of files. The one we want to open is Sopro Snap. Right-click it and click on Properties. From here, click on Compatibility, and you're going to need to change settings for all users. You're going to want to run the program in Windows 7, and then run this program as an administrator. Hit OK again, and you're going to do this same thing with ESF and ESS. Compatibility. Change settings for all users. Windows 7. Run this program as administrator. OK and OK. Right-click. Properties. Compatibility. Change settings for all users. Windows 7. Run this program as administrator and OK. Perfect. From here, you're going to go back into the website, click on the Sopro drivers download, and you're going to want to download the Windows 10 compatible version. Go ahead and run that. It's the USB 2020 video driver. Once it loads, you're going to click Next. This is going to install the driver onto your computer, and click Finish. Now you're done with the website. Now we need to get the capture button working. So double-click Sopro Snap, and you're going to see this little box appear on the screen. Hold down the control button while clicking the box, and you're going to see the settings. Click Broadcast, External Launcher, and this is where we're going to select the ESF and open it, and then you're going to put it in the system tray. This is for Action 1. Action 2 is the same parameters, but in this case we're going to want to use the ESS file. Open it, click OK, and we're good to go. Now all we need to do is get it working on Eaglesoft. So we will open up Eaglesoft. Log in, and once you are logged in, you are going to see the main screen. From here, go up to Preferences, click on X-ray, click on Video. You're going to change this capture card to the standard Windows driver module, and you're going to see Sopro Camera Driver. Let's put the image quality on max with no compression. Click Save. Click OK. And then click OK. You do not need to log off and log back in. The settings have taken. Now go ahead and let's go to your take an intraoral image. So let's go ahead and pull up a test patient. Use it. And here we go. The camera should now load. So give it a second. Let's go ahead and take the camera over. All right. Now you should be able to use the capture button. Understand that it looks very blurry here because I'm doing a recording of a recording. But as you can see here, the freeze and unfreeze is working due to the fact that the capture button is being pressed. Exit out of this. And here we go. All of your images that you just took have now populated right there. That's it. Done.